Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Modrinth for Minecraft mods and mod packs. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. And then once done, what you got to do next is just go ahead and find Modrinth app. Okay, and then once that's done, just hit on enter and click on the first search result. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, click on download Modrinth app. Save on your desktop so you can easily spot it. Okay, here we now have the Modrinth app. Just double click on it, close the browser if you want to, hit on next, finish. Okay, you'll be given a shortcut. If you want to, you could go ahead and place this one on your desktop, and here we have the Modrinth app. So what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and discover, but first up, click on settings. Okay, go ahead over to appearance, language, privacy, and Java installations. Okay, you can go ahead and configure it right here. Default instance. So here we have the memory allocated section. You can go ahead and move this one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set this up to the center because I have 32 gigs of RAM and I'm going to use half of it. All right. And once that's done, just close this one. And you can now go ahead and click on discover. Okay. Let's say you wanted to download FPS mod pack right here. So I'm just going to click on install, wait for it to load. And once that's done, all of these things right here will be included as well. As you can see, we have clothing config API, fabric, iris shaders, sodium extra. Well, you can just go ahead and hit on play and sign in with your Minecraft account. Once signed in, go ahead and hit on play once more and everything will load. Okay, if you want to, you can go ahead and add in some more mods right here. If not, you can just go ahead and create a new instance from here, okay? And then set it up however you want. You can mix and match whatever mods, mod loader, or whatever APIs, okay? If you want to know what's going on, you can go ahead and, by the way, click on. Right here, we have the command section. You'll be able to see what's going on. So let's go ahead and go back to the game. As you can see here, we have sodium, iris shaders included. You can just go ahead and go to video settings right here. Okay, now go ahead over to single player. If you want to check it out, well, go ahead and do so. There you go. Now, for the other thing that I've mentioned earlier, which is creating a new instance. So click on the plus icon right here. You can go ahead and import from other launchers like CurseForge if you want to, or just custom. Go ahead and add in an icon if you want to. Okay, grab in a name, for example, tutorials. Okay, just for example, now go ahead and select the mod loader. So just for example, you just wanted the vanilla. So go ahead and select the correct version or the version that you want. Okay, and once that's done, you can now go ahead and click on create. Wait for it as it's creating a new instance. Okay, all of your instances will be available right here to the left panel. Or you could go ahead back to home and you could auto join right here at the top. Okay. So library right here, here we have FPS mod pack, or the ones that we made earlier, and the tutorial. So let's just go ahead and click on this one. Now you can go ahead and install as many content as you want. Okay, you go ahead and add in fresh animations or dramatic skies, install it however you want. Better leaves. We have the fresh animations extensions here as well, and some other options. Okay, so just wait for everything to fully download, and then once that's done, you can now go ahead and go back and review everything right here, and then just hit on play. And as you can see here, we now have the game. When we go ahead over to options, resource packs, here we have everything. You can now just go ahead and move everything. Okay, include all that you have downloaded. Just hit on done. Done. Open up a world. There you go. Everything is now added. Now you can just go ahead and close. Now, by the way, if you want to access the mods folder from the launcher right here, you can just go ahead over to your library, right click on an instance. Okay, then go ahead and click on open folder, and the mods folder will be available right here. Well, that is how you download and install Modrinth for Minecraft mods and mod packs. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.